If you've just started a business, one of the most important things to make note of is when and how to pay your taxes. In this video, we will break it down for you so you're always prepared. Now, the date that your taxes are due depends on your business type. You may also have other tax deadlines too. For example, if you are VAT registered, sole traders and partnerships will always have the tax deadline on the 31st of January, following the end of the tax year, which is the 5th of April. But it's important to note, if your tax bill is over £1,000, you'll actually need to pay your bill in 2 instalments. This is called payments on account. These are advance payments towards your tax bill, and to spread the cost, the first one will be due before the 31st of January and the second later in the year before the 31st of July. Things are a little more complicated for limited companies, but not to worry, we've got you covered. If you run a limited company, your tax bill deadline is 9 months and 1 day after your company's financial year end. No matter what your company structure is, if you have employees, you also need to remember to pay tax and national insurance to HMRC every time you run payroll, whether that is weekly, bi-weekly or monthly. Companies that are VAT registered also need to remember to pay anything owed in VAT before their deadline. This is 1 month and 7 days after your VAT quarter ends. You don't want to miss any of these deadlines because if you do, you could incur penalties, and how big of a penalty depends on factors like how late you are with paying your tax or the type of tax deadline you have missed. Now, the good news is paying your taxes is easier than ever before, with most people choosing to pay by direct debit or via HMRC's online payment portal using the link shown on screen. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. Give us a like, and if you have any questions, leave us a comment. If you don't have an accountant yet, don't worry, we've got you covered. Head over to our website and get a free instant quote, and one of our accountancy advisors will be in touch.